The largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by market volume, Binance has suffered a steady decrease in its spot market share throughout the course of the year as a result of several regulatory acquisitions brought against the firm, which ultimately resulted in the resignation of its CEO and founder, CZ. CZ Data's figures indicates that Binance's market share as of December 1st was just 30.1%, down from 55% at the beginning of the year. The exchange's monthly spot volumes fell by more than 70% from $474 billion to $114 billion between January and September. Although its market share has been declining, CZ Data does point out that since September, Binance has started to witness an increase in monthly trading volumes. In November, the business and its since-departed CEO, CZ, reached a settlement with the US Commodities Futures Trading Commission that required them to pay close to $3 billion. This coincided with separate agreements reached with the Treasury Department and the US Department of Justice. Even if Binance's market share for spot trading has decreased over the course of the year, it is still by far the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. Seychelles-based OKX, which saw its market share increase to 8% in December from about 4% at the beginning of the year, is in second position to Binance's 30% according to CZ Data.
Cathie Wood's ARK Invest liquidation of ETF shares holding activity has picked a pace lately since the elevated price level offered opportunity to realize a good profit. On Friday, the investment firm sold another 335,000 shares in cryptocurrency exchanges Coinbase, its largest sale since July. ARK offloaded coin shares across 3 exchange-traded funds. The bulk came from the innovation ETF. The sale would have raised $49.2 million at Coinbase's closing price. The St. Petersburg, Florida-based investment manager has been on the selling spree. ARK Investment has used the recent appreciate in share price of Coinbase to their best of ability by liquidating its stake further. The sale carried out on Friday was the largest since July. It sold 480,000 shares worth around $50.5 million at the time. ARK adopts a target weighing for its ETFs, where individuals' composite holdings weighings don't dip below 2% of the value of the fund nor exceed 10%. The recent rally in coin stock, which has reached highs not seen since April 2022, means its weighing in the 3 ETFs has been comfortably in excess of 10%. Even with the recent sales, Coin accounts for more than 11% of ARKK and the next generation ETF and over 13% of FinTech Innovation ETF. ARK also sold 102,000 shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, worth around $3.6 million, accounts for 8.33% of ARKW.
According to a tweet made on Tuesday by the nation's Bitcoin-focused agency, El Salvador's long-planned Bitcoin bonds have gotten a little bit closer to reality after seemingly obtaining regulatory permission for an early 2024 issuance. The bonds will be made available on Bitfinex Securities, a licensed branch of Bitfinex, a cryptocurrency exchange. The Volcano bond has just received regulatory approval from the Digital Asset Commission, El Salvador's National Bitcoin Office posted from its X handle. We anticipate the bond will be issued during the first quarter of 2024. The so-called Volcano bonds were announced in 2021 by President Nayib Bukele shortly after he passed a law recognizing Bitcoin as legal tender in the country. With the help of the Bitcoin-backed bonds, Bukele hoped to earn $1 billion, which would launch a Bitcoin mining business that would only use green energy sources, such as the nation's active volcanoes. Originally scheduled for March 2022, issuance was repeatedly delayed. Nevertheless, by the end of November 2022, the Digital Asset Law was eventually introduced in the Legislative Assembly, which is precedented over the Bukele's party, Nuevas Ideas. This is the second significant swing centered around Bitcoin in as many weeks. Previously, El Salvador launched its Freedom Visa program, awarding residents to up to 1,000 individuals every year who invest in minimum of $1 million in Bitcoin or USDT stablecoins. That's all in this special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.0 or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. Thank you.